When you've been given your ClassReach password, you should be able to log on to ClassReach. You can edit your profile on the top right-hand corner under View Profile. This is where you can edit your photo, add emergency contacts, and read and sign the liability waiver. Don't forget to click the green check mark to save your work. When you take your class online, you should be able to find your Zoom links under your class agenda. Make sure you have the right date. Under the agenda, you'll find your Zoom links and everything else you'll need for class. You can also message your teachers on ClassReach. Your teacher will be found under your class overview. If you go to Messages and then click on Compose, you can message your teacher directly. You can ask about your homework, questions about your attendance, anything else you need help with. You can also check your attendance. If you go to your specific class, up on the top right, you click Attendance. This shows when you were present in person, when you were present online, and when you were marked absent.